表着中国军事实力已经跟美国一样比肩，甚至有一些超越。我们目前的短板已经不多了，美国人能沾沾自喜的时候也不多了。
还是工业方面，我们国家在逐步的往国际一流的一个方向发展吧。因为今年不是热门的是低空经济嘛，然后不光是国防嘛，低空经济也是一个本次展览的一个重要的一个方向。
It's about 8 to 10 U.S. firms that are all civil, commercial aviation focused, and they see the big picture here in China. You know, by 2040, the largest aviation market in the world, there's a lot of opportunity, and the United States is eager to build future partnerships here. No doubt China is a challenging market, you know, given the geopolitical situation, etc. But again, U.S. industry has been well established here for so many years. And it's our goal to work with commerce and other stakeholders and partners to help grow and make a big impact for U.S. industry here in the future. We want to help China and U.S. relations continue to grow.
Coming to China on this platform to display our product is also showing our commitment to the Chinese market. China is our sort of globally top 3 single country market. It ranks number 3 in terms of revenue for the group. So we are continuously investing in this market, not only just from the product perspective, but also from the supply chain. You know, we actually have a very extensive network of suppliers.